This activity is something to have the kids comparing the continental landforms to the oceanic landforms. I have a pattern. On this pattern, they're going to take this paper. I have an X here. The X marks the spot. That's what I tell the kids. You have to be able to see the X as you are going to use it. You're going to take a piece of long paper, fold it in half, and this is where I always have them put their name on the paper on the back. Fold it in half, and then put the fold next to your tummy. Take the template with the X on it and place it on your paper. Take a piece of paper, take a pencil, and you're going to trace the template and a lot of times I'll do this at the very beginning of the whole unit. And so they've traced the template and they have a copy of it. And this is going to be your continental landforms. So we're going to go through it and label it. This is going to be plains. This is going to be your mountain range. This is going to be your volcano. This is going to be your canyon. So if you label those along the way, now tell the kids color it. And I need to see that this is the sky. I need to see that this is the ground. Make sure I can see your labels as you are coloring it. And then I'll take up this piece of paper and keep it. And I'll put it away, and we'll go through the rest of the erosion and weathering and natural disasters. And we'll discuss that. Then, when I'm ready to start ocean, then I'll take this paper back out, pass it back out to the kids and say, take this paper, put it so that the open end is by your tummy. Give them the same template. Tell them to find the X. They have to mark, they have to draw it again. And then we go through and label this one. This one I am going to add my continental shelf and my continental slope to. Then I'm going to add my abyssal plains, my mid-ocean ridge, and it does dip down up here in the top. This is where I'm going to make my valley. Oh, forgot to label valley before. So you're going to label your valley also, and label the Rift Valley. Then we've got our seamount. Then we've got our trench. Have them color it. Have them make sure that they can see that this is the sea, that this is the ocean up above. And we do have a little discussion of, yes, maybe it's really low tide and the tide could come all the way up a little bit higher. You can kind of make believe that way. Then what's really hilarious is you have them open it up. And now they have their plains and their abyssal plains lined up. They have their mountain range, their mid-ocean ridge lined up. They have their seamounts and their volcanoes, the canyon and the trench lined up. What's hilarious is they're amazed. They'll go, they're the same! It's shocking. It's hilarious. But it's a great way to show the kids a comparison of your continental landforms and your oceanic landforms.